Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, good evening, children. Good evening, all of you.
Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening. Very good evening. Right, Adrit, Advika, Aishwarya, Sritej, Ashwat Kumar, Soumya joined. Deepika, not it. Deepika, that's all. Right. Right, children. Good, good. Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am.
Someone said, Ma, is it you?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, my mother said that she thought that there was no class today, so I just had to ask you.
Okay, okay. Right, children. Yes, we are with a new chapter. That's our basic, yes, basic geometrical ideas. In that basic geometrical ideas, what are the basic concepts we covered? The geometry. Geometry is a word, English word, which is derived from Greek word geometron. Geo means earth, metron means measurement. This is first point we discussed. And the second point, which is a branch of mathematics. Geometry is a branch of mathematics. Yes. Who is father of geometry, children? Who is father of geometry? Please think, who is father of geometry? Yes.
Don't know.
You can make unique because in your class you should be unique, right? You should learn.
Shakespeare?
Shakespeare is an author, English author, right?
I'm Euclid.
Very good. It's a Euclid. Good, Adrit. Euclid is a father of Sritej. Okay, and someone is given through chat box. Yeah, Adrit through chat box. He said, good. Right, children. Right, very good. Right, good. Extremely good. Euclid is the father of geometry. So geometry is also a branch of mathematics. We have different branches in mathematics. Geometry is also part of one of the branch of mathematics. And geometron means earth measurements. Earlier, ancient people are used geometry for their, where are the different areas they used children geometry concept? Where are the different areas we discussed in the part of introduction? Where are the basic areas our ancient people are used the geometry concept? In architecture? Yes. Yes or no? Where they used? In architecture and where? Construction, right? Temples, lakes, dams. Yes or no? Cities, many places they used geometry concept in ancient days. So
even engineering.
Engineering, architecture, cloth designing, it's a multiple applications, children. That's why we should learn geometry. It's more important to us. Yes. Coming to the part of the basic points, these are the basic things we discussed. And also we are day-to-day life, many examples we saw, like shapes of our geometry boxes, tables, books, tiffin boxes you carry to your school, lunch. Yeah. Yes, ma?
Mom, in the last class we were writing about the points, right? For that I entered the last sentence.
Oh.
So
Okay,
when you
okay, don't worry. We will once again go with the point. Point is only one point we discussed. A point is an exact location. So point, we can call it as a dot. Yes or no? Exact location or dot. So how points can be read? Points can be represented with the capital letters. We will write. Don't worry, Advika. Okay. These are the different areas with different shapes in geometry, like just examples we are taking a ruler, the shape of ruler, the shape of pencil, the shape of your reading table, the shape of geometry box. Yes, these are different shapes which will deal with our geometry context. These are connected with our geometry, right? Coins, bangles, girls, students appear around many things, not only few things, many things, each and everything. Our room is also, what is the shape of our room? We are sitting in a room, right? Reading room. What is the shape of your reading room?
Ma'am,
Yes.
square.
Very good. It's cuboid as well as Ashwat also correct. Ashwat is only given as a plane surface. But we are sitting, that's a 3D figure. Cube or cuboid probably. Did anyone are sitting in cylindrical shape room?
Ma'am, I am. No.
Oh, Soumya. Good. Good. Right. Many things. We cannot. Yeah, Soumya, please, ma.
Ma'am, it was, I didn't say anything. It was something else.
What, ma? What, Soumya?
Ma'am,
Okay, square you are telling. Square is the plane figure. We need to mention 3D shapes, right? 3D shape is a cube. Right, right, children. Anything you can notice, that's a shape. That also includes your geometry, right? And coming to the first thing, point. Point is a, what is point, children? Where you observed, I gave some work for you, where you observed the point in our day-to-day life. Please write 5 situations. I said one of the example to you also. Doctor gives injections to you. It's a particular point, right? Like that, any 5 ideas, please. Point is the first one in basic geometry, children. The key points only very important, children. Basic geometrical ideas. Yes, Deepika also joined. Right. Basic geometrical ideas. In this first part, already we wrote the points. Geometry means geometron. And the second point, point is nothing but a dot. We can represent with a dot. Point means it's an exact location. It is an exact location.
Now it can be represented by capital letters.
Yes, very good. It can be represented with the capital letters. Very good. It can be represented with the capital letters. It can be represented with capital letters.
Ma'am, are you sharing the screen?
Yes, you cannot see, right?
No, ma'am.
Oh, sorry, children. 1 minute. I'll share. Sorry.
Ma'am, the point represent in a map.
Yes, map point. Yes, it can be represented with the capital letters. We can read this as read as point A, point.
Ma'am, in decimals.
Point A, point B. Yes, point. Yes, ma'am. Yes, please.
Ma'am,
Point.
use dot at decimals.
Yeah, that's yes. In decimals also we are using a dot. Yeah. Yes, good. Yes, good. This is about basic points about point, children. Point can be how you supposed to sharp tip of pencil mark just mark it dot. You can locate dots, so you can mark at least 4-5 dots. You can name as point A, point B, or point C, or whatever the names. You can capital letters, any capital letters you can use. Stars in the sky is also an idea of point. Yes or no? What is the best example for your point, children? Best example is? Yes. What is the best example for point? Stars in the sky. How many points are there in the sky? Yes.
Ma'am, we can't count.
What? How many points are there?
Millions of points in the sky.
Can you name it? All the points?
Oh, no. Ma'am, one star is just the sun.
Okay. The stars in the sky.
Ma'am!
Hey, what
Ma'am?
happened? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
Ma'am, me.
Me means who is that?
Monish.
Oh, hero, welcome dear, welcome to the world, math world.
Ma'am, I want to ask you one thing.
Yeah, please, Monish.
Ma'am, should we note down this basic geometrical ideas?
Yeah, points you need to note down. This is the first point we discussed, Monish. I think you joined just now.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. You need to note down, note down. In your day-to-day life, you can note down. Yes. Right, Ashwath. Yes, completed. You can take stars in the sky is the best example for point. There are many situations. You can at least write a few more examples where you are observe the point in your day-to-day life. You can write it, children. You can write it. Coming to the part of the second point, line segment. What is the meaning of line segment? Line segment. See, children, line segment is a part of line. You know line. What is line? We will, don't worry. So line segment, you can easily watch through, fold a piece of paper and unfold it. Did you see a crease? Children, if you fold a piece of paper and unfold it, did you see any crease there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you take your rough paper and fold it, make a crease and unfold. Check it. What happened? What you can see there? It's a line segment. It has two end points. Yes, it is a line segment. It has two end points, right? Line segment has end points. It has a fixed length. It has fixed length. We will write. So can I clear, children? Monish, can I clear the screen?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Line segment. Next point is line segment. Line segment has fixed endpoints. Line segment has fixed endpoints. Remember the keywords, children. When I'm teaching only, you need to keep in your brain all the points. Line segment has fixed length. It has two endpoints. You can keep anyway. I'll draw it and show to you how to name the line segment, how to read the line segment, how to represent the line segment. These are more important things, children. Same like point. Point is an exact dot. So points can be read it as the point A, point B, point C. How to represent means dot and A. The same way line segment. Line segment. Yes. Shall I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Monish, can I?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Right. Line segment. Come on, children. Next, second point, important concept in this line segment. Line segment can be represented pictorially, means through pictures. You can see, children, suppose line segment has fixed endpoints. If you see any 2 points, take any 2 points, Let me go with some different colors, so makes you more. So this is point A. This is another point B. If I joined these 2 points, what I should get? Yes, what I should get, children, if I join these 2 points?
A line segment.
Very good. Line segment I got. That means how I can make a note points from lines for line segment. Line segment has fixed endpoints. Come on, write down, children. First point, write down. Line segment has fixed endpoints.
Ma'am, I wrote.
Very good. It has 2 endpoints or fixed line segment has fixed length, right? It has 2 endpoints. Yes. Line segment has 2 endpoints. Line segment has 2 endpoints. You can see the figure also. What are the endpoints here?
A and B.
Yes, very good. It has fixed length, children. Very important point. It has a fixed length. Fixed length. Line segment can be represented with how, suppose this line segment, this is AB. Line segment can be represented with AB bar. Suppose here AB variables I'm taking. Suppose XY I'm taking, how I can write, children? Yes, Aishwarya. Suppose my line segment I'm taking as XY. So how I supposed to represent this? This I can represent as AB bar. How I supposed to represent this?
XY.
XY bar. This is more important. XY bar. Suppose my line segment, I can name it as some CD. So how I supposed to represent this line segment, Soumya?
What, ma'am?
CD line segment. How I supposed to represent CD line segment? Here we are representing AB line segment as AB bar, XY line segment as XY bar, CD line segment as
CD not.
CD bar. Very good. It's a simple bar. Okay. Right. All right, children. Any doubt, Advika? Advika, any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Yeah. Suppose you're writing with your pen. Can we call it as a line segment? Yes or no? It has fixed endpoints. Yes, or no, please? Okay, very good. An edge of your book or box. You can see the length of your book. Yes, it has an endpoints, right? Very good. It has a fixed length. Good. Not only AB bar, children, we can call it as even BA bar. Very important point, children. Please note down, please, please. AB bar or BA bar. XY bar or
YX bar. YX bar.
Very good. CD bar or
DC bar.
DC bar. Good, good. Not only in one way, children, we can represent in both the ways. Here the points AB are called endpoints. Endpoints of the line segments. The points A and B are called endpoints of the line segments. Here, we are taking about this example, children. Here, A and B are called endpoints. Called endpoints of line segment. Endpoints of line segment. These are the basic points you need to remember about line segment, children. Now I'm going to give some question for you, how much you are going to understand. You please name the line segment in the figure. Just I'll draw the figure. Some example we can take this. This is a line segment AB. This is a line segment AB. And another line segment AC. AC means where I should connect. So maybe somewhere. This is AC. Now, name the line segments in the figure. What are the name the line segments in the figure? Yes, you can name it, children. Name the line segments. Yes, Advika.
Ma'am, the line segment A, B, and C.
No, you have to tell what are the different line
B,
segments.
A, and C.
AB is one line segment. Very good. RBA is one line segment. Another line segment.
AC.
Very good. ACR. CA. Very good. AC bar or CA bar. Bar is also more important, children. This bar only represent it is line segment. If suppose if I'm drawing like this, what is this name? This is not equal to line segment. This is some other way you have. I'll let you know when line is coming. So bar is only for line segment. Is A is end point of each line segments? Yes, my one more question is here. A is end point for both the line segments.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Suppose if you see AB or BA, this is end point. It's so and AC or CA, it is connected with through A only. So we can call it as A is the end point of each line segments. Therefore, A is end point of each line segment. Each line segment. You can see A, B and AC. A is common point for AB line segment and AC line segment. So A is the end point of each line segment. Next thing, children, we will go with the line. Line segment we already discussed. We discussed a point. Please remember all the things. Next, third concept in this, line. What is line? How to represent line?
Ma'am, you can, ma'am, line has a starting point, but it does not have an ending point. You can expand
No,
it.
Sritej, no. Line has anyone please correct Sritej? Yeah, Soumya. Very good. Line has no end points. Very good. Sritej, did you understood? You said it's ray beta.
Okay, ma'am.
It's ray. Very good. It's ray. Don't confuse for line segment, ray. Line segment is fixed endpoints. Line doesn't have endpoints. We can extend endlessly in both the directions. And whereas coming to the third one, ray, as Sritej said, it has one fixed end, another one we can extend endlessly. Good. Good.
Ma'am, clear it.
Okay. Everyone, can I clear, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
The screen is stuck.
Monish, Aishwarya. Today we have quiz on these points, children, because all together we are learning. You may get confused, so we will play some quiz so you can confident with your concept. Okay. I think Ashwath is the first boy can enjoy. Where is Ashwath? I cannot see. Yeah, hero, you should on your cam. Good. Very happy boy. Sritej, good. Sincere. Yes. Adrit. Where is Monish? Deepika. Deepika, are you okay, ma? Advika. Okay, fine. Right. All right, children. What is the next point I said? It's line. Third one is line. Come on, children. You can write line has no endpoints. As my student said, line has no endpoints. No endpoints. We can extend both the directions endlessly. Extend, the line can be extended. Line can be extended. Both sides endlessly. Endless means there is no end for that. Endlessly. No fixed endpoints. Yeah, line has no endpoints, no fixed endpoints. You can write your own words, children, so that you can it's easy for you. So, same thing. We know that line segment already we learned. So, what is line segment? AB. So, AB can be extended both the sides endlessly. That's nothing but line. Yes, which is nothing but we can write like that too, children. Not an issue. You can. So line can how to how we supposed to represent line. Line can be represented with different ways, children. Suppose here line can be represented with AB bar. AB bar, sorry, not bar, children, AB double arrow. You can see this is the symbol for line. This is the symbol for line. Coming to the part of the next thing. Now, suppose if you take not only this, we can represent with lowercase alphabets also, children. Line L, line M, line N, line X, line Y. Only lowercase alphabets. In both the ways, either lowercase alphabets or you can represent. These are both ways you can represent line. Line can be represented in different ways. One is with lowercase letters you can represent as a single letter, or you can represent. Yes, ma? Yes, yes.
Ma'am, like capital and small?
Yeah, here capital letter, single letter, if you are using line L, it's a lowercase letters. Suppose if you are representing your AB on the up, on the head, you see this is on the up of AB, you are keeping some symbol. What is this line symbol? Even you can represent this way or you can represent this way, children. Both the ways you can represent. Suppose a line through XY points. Suppose I'm asking a line through, let me write a line through XY points. XY points. So how I supposed to draw a line through XY points? That means XY line segment is extended. XY line segment is extended. How I supposed to represent XY double arrow? This is one way, or any name, any lowercase alphabet, you can like M, line M, you can represent line M. Both the ways you can represent one. Don't think, ma'am, it is different, that is different. Both are lines only. Line L, line M. Line L is same as AB, double arrow, and line M, which is same as XY, double arrow. Yes, ma? Yes.
Ma'am, like for the lines, can we write for the capital letters like line D? Can we do
Yeah,
like
that's
that?
why. It is, let me write that point also. It is denoted with, how it is denoted with lowercase alphabets, like it is denoted with lowercase alphabets. Case alphabets like L, comma line L, comma M, comma N, etc. Not only this, you can write it as even A to Z, any letter you can. A to Z, any letter, lowercase letter you can take. Different ways we can represent, not only this, children, even you can represent or you can write one more point, or it can be represented with, XY double arrow and AB double arrow and CD double arrow. Anyway, you can, this CD means a CD line segment we are extending endlessly. Like that you can, this is one way and this is another way. Both the ways are correct. But in the senior classes, they may use like L, M, N. Then you cannot confuse what is the meaning of L. L is also a line. L is also a line. You can take in that way. Right, children, any doubt here about line? Any doubt about line?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, Deepika. Easy to me, thanks. Who is this? Monish. Thank you. Thank you, Monish. Please, with the same spirit, you can focus the classes. Monish is given some through chat box. It's something, his IIT math is easy to me. Okay, thank you. Right, children. Any doubts, you can message me personally also. Children, please go through our topper, have multiple questions to practice. You can please, already sir is given access to you people, right? Once if you are getting access, you can please practice in your free times. Right, shall we go with the next point, children? What is next one? What is next one? Ray. Ray. Yes, Ray. If you want, you can write, children, but this year Ray is removed. Ray is in rationalized syllabus, Ray is not there. But anyway, you should learn, children. Shall I clear the screen? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Write down Ray. Ray can be represented with one fixed endpoint, one can be endlessly extended, children. Suppose AB ray, how you supposed to write this? AB ray can be just one side arrow. It's not double side arrow means it is line. If one side arrow means it is line segment. It's line segment. Yes, children, give a minute time. You can write your own points for ray. Ray, one end has fixed end, other end should be extended endlessly. Good. Next one. Oh, Deepika, enjoy your day. Enjoy happily. Then come back with lots of memories so that you can, one more year should be, yes. This is right time, children, to spend with our family members and friends and our relatives. You can. Okay. So she said, okay, fine, take it. Give the memories and take the memories from them. Be with that happy. If you shine more, they are the people to be more happy. They're the first people to be more happy, right? Don't worry. Don't worry. Oh,
Ma'am, can you
sorry.
write the sentences?
Yes, Advika. 1 minute, Advika, and give the points. Or else you want, you can write the points. Your own.
Ma'am,
Yes, Monish.
ma'am,
1 minute, children. 1 minute.
ma'am, can we play quiz?
1 minute, Monish. We will complete intersecting lines and parallel lines. Then we can stop. Okay. Only that's very easiest thing. We can go with that intersecting lines and please complete ray points, children. Ray is one end is fixed, another end has one fixed end. Ray has one fixed end. One fixed end, either any side, children. Fixed end. Other end should be
Endless.
yes, endless.
Mama, I wrote Ray has one fixed point.
Very good. Fixed end or fixed point, right? Right, not an issue. Other end should be endless. That means we can extend endlessly. That's all, children. It can be represented with AB single arrow or CD single arrow or XY single arrow or BA. You can same thing BA. You can, this is the way you can. If you want, you can write examples also. XY. So XY single arrow. It's the way you can represent or so. Next thing, children, intersecting lines. This is more important, children. What is the third point is ray. Fourth point among this, intersecting lines. Intersecting INTERSECTING, children. Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines and parallel lines. Intersecting lines are the lines. two lines. So suppose you know the lines. So this is one line L, another line M. These two lines are meeting at a point. Yes or no? These two lines are meeting at a point P. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, like intersecting lines cross each other.
Very good, very good. Intersecting lines are the lines which cross each other. Very good. Write your own point, children. Intersect lines are the lines which cross each other. Which cross each other. You can write your own points, children. Very good, Advika. They have common point. Here, what is the common point, intersecting point? What is a common intersecting point? P. So P is called intersecting point. Line L and M are intersecting lines. How are you supposed to write when? Intersecting lines which cross each other. Intersecting lines.
And do intersecting lines have endpoints or they're just?
No endpoints because these are lines, right? Lines doesn't have any endpoints, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Intersecting lines cross each other. Or they meet at a point. They meet at a point. Yes or no? Their meeting point is you people also meeting in somewhere in the assembly in the morning. That's your meeting point. Here the lines L and M are meeting at which point? They are meeting at point P. P is called intersecting point. See, children, write all the points. Point P is called intersecting point. Intersecting point. Line L and M are intersecting lines. Line L and M are intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means they will meet at one point. That's only the thing you need to remember, children. They will meet. Suppose intersecting line segments, they are meeting at a point. Day-to-day life, where you have to see this crossroads. In alphabets, which letter is intersecting lines? Yes,
X.
which letters? X letter X. Very good. Even letter V is also intersecting, right? But if you extend this is the meeting point. Okay.
Ma'am, why?
Yeah, Y is also. But if you want, particularly if you want to see which is intersecting, means this is intersecting. Crossroads, if you see in a day-to-day life, crossroads are intersecting. X letter is intersecting. Adjacent edges of your room or notebook or adjacent edges of your room. Is it intersecting? They are meeting at a point. Yes or no, children? Can two lines intersect in more than one point? That's my question. Can two lines intersect in more than one point? No. So you can practically, take a sheet of paper. Yeah, take a sheet of paper, make two folds and crease them to represent a pair of intersecting lines. You can no folding beta, folding. If you take a piece of paper, make them two folds, cross. I'm not taking as a parallel. I'm asking about cross, because how they're intersecting lines. Parallel lines also you can make a creases and you can, but in intersecting lines, take 2 folds, take a sheet of paper, diagonally you can make a crease. Diagonally means you know how to make a diagonal creases, right? Yes or no? Do you know how to make? Suppose this is a
cross
sheet
line.
of paper. Yeah, diagonal means this is one diagonal, this is another diagonal. If you fold like that, can we find any intersecting point here, intersecting lines? Yes,
Yes.
or no?
Yes. Yes.
Right. Suppose the same sheet of paper, if you see, this is just before diagonally I folded. If you take the sheet of paper and fold it along like that, folded like that means what type of lines I will get? I'll get parallel. Very good. It's not diagonal folds. It's not along the sides. Along the sides, if you fold, you will get parallel lines. Come on, children. Can 2 lines intersect in more than 1 point? Means no. Can more than 2 lines intersect in 1 point? More than 2 lines. That's a very important point, children. More than 2 lines. So suppose one line, if I'm taking this is a line A, another line B. Not only 2, more than 2. More than 2 means you can take one more line.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is
They will.
see, if I'm taking another line also, D. Now, my question is, can more than 2 lines intersect in 1 point? Yes or no? Yes. What is this? What is this? There is a special name for this. What is this name? Please learn and get it. That are more than 2 lines intersect at 1 point. We can call it as such lines. There is a name, children. Please find out and come. That's tomorrow's your task.
Ma'am, is it like homework?
Not, you can tell right now also. You can search and tell. You can search. 2 lines intersect. More than 2 lines intersect at 1 point is called dash lines. Just now 2 lines are intersecting. We call it as intersecting lines. What about this case?
Ma'am, what did you say?
More than 2 lines.
What did you say?
More than 2 lines intersecting at a point. We can call it as more than 2 lines intersect at a point is called it as. Please. More than 2 lines intersect at a point called dash. More than.
Ma'am, transversal lines. Ma'am, transversal lines.
Yes, ma'am.
More than 2 lines intersect.
Ma'am, transversal lines.
Point. Transversal means again it may go with parallel, right? Parallel lines cut in different places. This we can call it as transversal. Not this. I'm asking about more than 2 lines intersect at common point. Intersect at a common point is called a dash. So this is your. Find out and let me know. Who will give first answer? Who will search and give first answer?
Ma'am, concurrent lines.
Very good. Who said that part? Very good. Sritej, excellent beta. These are concurrent lines. You can write here only, children. Intersecting lines means 2 lines meeting at a point. More than 2 lines meeting at a point. We can call it as concurrent lines. Concurrent lines. Very important point also, children. This they may definitely give in some type of competitive exams also, but there is no question, no part in our textbook. You can learn beyond from our textbook all the time. So if two lines are meeting at a point, we can call it as intersecting points. More than two lines intersect at a common point are called concurrent lines. These lines we can call it as concurrent lines. Next one, parallel lines. Parallel lines. Come on, children. Hope you understood, children. Two lines are intersect. Advika, did you understood the point, Advika, here?
Yes, ma'am.
More than two lines intersecting at a common point, such lines we call it as
Concurrent line.
if two lines meeting at a point, we can call it as
Intersecting lines.
intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Very important point, children. Please.
Now because
Right, Ashwath, we will go with the parallel lines, then a small quiz. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Next class we will do exercise sums, children. This class only basic concept should be covered. Basics are more important, children. Shall I clear screen, children? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right, children. What is the next point we should discuss here? Sixth point is parallel lines. Railway tracks, you remember, children. Please remember your railway tracks. How your railway tracks, children? If you go to Delhi also, the distance between these tracks are?
Parallel.
Yes, parallel lines they are meeting at parallel lines are lines, they never meet each other, children. They never cross each other. Yes, that's one point. And second point is the distance between those two lines are same. If you extend to Delhi or if you extend to America or if you extend to endlessly anywhere, the distance between those two lines are same. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Write down your points. They
Ma'am,
do
can
not
you write?
cross each other. They do not cross each other. Yes, they do not cross each other. The distance between those two lines are uniform. The distance between two parallel lines. The distance between two parallel lines are uniform means same. If you see anywhere, that's all, children. That's only 2 points you need to remember about parallel lines, not much more than. where you can notice parallel lines in our day-to-day life means opposite sides of your book edges are parallel. Yes or no? If you take a ruler, that's parallel. If you take crossbars or window, if you check your crossbars of window, parallel lines, yes. There are in the railway tracks are parallel lines, yes. These are best examples you can write. For race also, torchlight ray is what I did not. Sun rays also for race example, children. Now let me go with I said we have to go with quiz, right? I think my students are rigorously waiting for quiz. Please prepare all these points. Note down all these points. What is the symbol, children? Suppose this is line L. This is line M. How you supposed to represent parallel lines? Line L is parallel to line M. This is symbol for parallel, children. Long 11. If you see long 11 is a parallel symbol. How you supposed to represent? This can be represented with pictorially long 11. So then how we have to read? L is parallel to line L. Line L is parallel to line. Yes. This is the representation, children. You can write, because in this class you doesn't have, but senior classes definitely you may get this. This is the symbol for parallel, long 11. You can write in the brackets. Long 11. Little bit long, not more than. Don't write a very big. It's little bit.
Non intersecting lines.
Intersecting lines. I did not give. Okay, but parallel we have. Then we have perpendicular later. We will get, children. I will help you later. For intersecting, right now we doesn't have anything. Only just they have to cross each other. That is only point you should remember. Okay. All right, children. Shall we go to quiz part? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Today my class is everyone are very active and everyone are present. That's the way you're supposed to be, children. Regular to the classes is more important. You should learn. What are the takeaway points today? Anyone from the class? What are the takeaway points today to your home? Yes, yes, ma. Yes.
Me.
Monish, 1 minute, Advika. Advika, 1 minute. Yes, Monish, please. What are the takeaway points? Yes, Monish, come on.
Ma'am, me?
Yes, you only.
Ma'am, the takeaway points are, you said today about point. Point, it has an exact location. It can be represented with capital letters. And you told, ma'am, you told us we should read as point A. Then you said, for example of point is stars in the sky. Next, you said about line segment.
Okay, wait, Monish, wait, very good. Very good. First takeaway point given by Monish. Advika.
Ma'am, today we learned about.
In brief, you tell, Advika.
In between.
In brief.
Okay, ma'am. I'm saying about the line segments. Like the line segments have 2 fixed points.
Yes.
So it has a particular fixed length.
Okay, very good.
Like the line segments are represented like we will write any 2 capital letters and above it there is a line.
Yes. Yes.
So the letters are called the endpoints of the line segment.
Very good. Aishwarya. Next takeaway point, Aishwarya.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, lines means lines has no endpoints.
Very good.
And so ma'am, lines can be extended both sides,
Okay.
and we can mention them as line A, line B,
Okay.
line X, line Y.
Yes. Very good, Aishwarya. Then, okay, thank you, Aishwarya. Sritej.
Takeaway point is about rail.
Sritej.
Yes, ma'am. The next takeaway point is about rail.
Yes, Sritej is there in the class.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, Sritej, you only.
Yes, ma'am. The next takeaway point is about rail. It has one fixed end, and the other end should be endless. It can be
Okay.
represented with a mark in the top, a bar, and then an arrow.
Very good, very good. Next. Thank you, Sritej. One brief point enough, Sritej, because I want from everyone. Next, Ashwath.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what other takeaway points? Quick. Only in brief you give. In brief you give. Yes. Children, quiz link is shared in your parallel lines, concurrent lines, intersecting lines. These points just enough, children. No need of giving complete picture. Just, ma'am, we discussed point, line segment, line, ray, next parallel lines, intersecting lines, concurrent lines. What are concurrent lines, Soumya? Soumya is there. Yeah, children, please join quickly for the quiz. I can see 5 my students are joined. Advika, Adrit, Aishwarya, Sritej. Yes, Ashwat. Why Aishwarya tries to join? Can I remove? Which one I should remove, Aishwarya?
Ma'am, you can remove anything.
Down one. Shall I remove down or up one?
Okay, ma'am.
Up one, okay. Yes, I think almost all my kids joined. Advika, Adrit, Aishwarya, Sritej, Soumya should be joined. Soumya, dear, please join fast. Yeah, Soumya is there in the class. Soumya, Monish, Ashwath, Adrit, Advika, who else? Sritej.
Ma'am, I can't play with that second one, so can I join again? I'm not able.
Please.
Yeah.
Pick. Right. All the best, all of you children. Right.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children. Have a nice day.